Oh, Trevor. What do you think you got, Trev? What do you think you got, Trevor? Yes, sir. Oh, he's way out there, Trev.
I got it. Hey,
a fish? Dad, a fish. Dad, fish. On, fish on. Fish on, Grandpa. Grandpa. Right there, grab the pole, Grandpa. Grandpa. Come on, all 3 generations, one day. Come on. All right, we got a dual tandem here. Hey, Trev, you're not gonna let him beat you, are you? All right, we got 2 fish on, Grandpa and grandson.
Right, you move it there.
You want me to turn it for you, buddy? I'm trying to film you too. Come on, Trev, horse him in. Don't let him get slack. Oh! Pay attention to yours, Trev. Come on. Is he big, Trev?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We do move it, Brad.
Grandpa's is running on him. I don't know what's doing that to him. Trev, you got yours well in hand, it would appear. I don't know what Grandpa's got. He's running up awful high and moving a lot. That's moving odd. That's running different. Uh-oh, we got... All right, we're all right. We're all right. We're all right. Getting tired, Trev? Huh? He's gonna see the boat run on you again, you know. Oh, look at that monster! I just saw him. Big old flash. Oh, Grandpa's got his up on the leader. Oh, you got a big one, Trev. Big old rooster. Big rooster. Big rooster. That's big rooster. Grandpa's on top of the water yet. Another rooster. Grandpa still didn't have his under control yet. He's got this one under control. That's Trev's fish. Don't act like you're tired, Trevor. Don't even act like you're tired. You were sitting in a chair the whole time. How can you be tired? Oh, big rooster. Oh, that's bigger than the last one. Trevor, you beat your grandpa. Oh my God, look at that fish. All right, you guys have to hold side by side, and I'll put down the camera, and then I'll take some pictures. Grandpa, Trevor, you have to hold that sucker by yourself. Well. Hang on, he gets away from Trevor to get his, then I'll get your camera and take pictures too. There's Grandpa's rooster.
My camera ready.
I will. As soon as I set this down and get you both on this, then I will. You gotta hold on to it, Trev. Do not let him go. If he starts flopping, do not let him go. There it is, Grandpa and grandson, side by side, tandem duel. Ha! Don't let him go. All right, let me get the camera.